Yunnan. Flew into the capital city of Yunnan this morning, super early, and I'm already sold on this city. So it's kind of touristy, but like in a good way. It's known for flowers, tea, and coffee. It's known as the city of eternal spring. It's beautiful. The air smells incredible. Tons of just like flower tea. I had like one of the best cups of coffee of my life this morning. They're known for these little pastries that have like red flower petals in them. I was trying to buy some dough. I just had 3. It was like the best pastry ever. Now I'm just at this like huge park in the middle of the city, which is like gorgeous. I went and checked out this, it's called Golden Temple Complex. It was cool. It's just like up in the mountains, a bunch of random temples and kind of cool art. It's really well put together. Nothing super cool, but had the kind of the morning off. So I'm actually down here as a chaperone with students, which is just another reason why international teaching is such a home run. So for the week, instead of school, 17 students and 3 chaperones, including me. We flew down here. There's a guide, everything's tour, just everything's dialed in, super easy. Have an awesome itinerary just filled with like nature and ancient cities. And I'm like legitimately really excited about it. And this complex is huge. It's just like gorgeous. Tons of water everywhere. Tons of koi fish. It's beautiful. So this park's called Green Lake Park. It's in the center of Kunming. See the bamboo back there. And then on like just lily pads and like weeping willow trees into the lake. It's ducks. And there's like tons of these lakes. It's incredible. Anyone I told I was going to Yunnan, everyone had the exact same reaction. They're like, favorite province, love it, it's the best. And like, I get it. Like, I haven't even been here a full day and I get it. These are what, cherry blossoms or plum blossoms or something. Just has a great vibe. Seems like people are like also just more considerate down here. A little bit less smoking, less spitting. Maybe I'm just seeing everything rosy because I'm like falling in love with Yunnan right now. And then here's an example just like on a side street outside the park. The streets are all lined with flowers everywhere. And then like this is a whole wall of flowers. It's like this all throughout the city. Just flowers everywhere. Cute, quaint little architecture. Some ancient buildings mixed in. Such a home run. So just walking around town and like even as a divider between the road is just flowers and parks everywhere. Here's another park. I mean, it's unbelievable. So this is some sort of people's monument. And then this is a whole big, just like pedestrian only area. People hanging out, taking photos, dancing, music, restaurants, shops. It's like all pedestrian. These guys are dancing. So this pedestrian like zone area, it's cool, authentic looking buildings. It's huge. It goes as far as you can go. And it's gorgeous. And I'd heard that Yunnan is known for having beautiful women, and it's true. There's so many beautiful women out here. It's like kind of incredible. With all the like architecture and everything. I'm so bullish on Kunming and Yunnan. Like, love this city. Now I'm at a random kind of temple complex, which is also just stunningly beautiful. Had a couple egg tarts because I'm a degenerate. Cruising around, so bullish on Kunming. So I'm not usually a huge temple guy, and I saw a lot when I was living in Thailand, but it's like a fish maybe. This is a beautiful complex. Something else that it reminded me of too is that it's relatively quiet here. Like the city is quiet. Like there's just less honking of horns. It's just got a way different vibe than Zhuhai or Shenzhen or even Hong Kong and Macau, which I guess is the only things I can really compare it to within like China or China adjacent, we'll call it. Yeah, gorgeous.